Okay, we're on the bench here, and this is just a quick ad hoc video. FrSky QX7, one of the channels, the aileron channel, has gone all funny. When you move the stick, the servos move slowly, and the bar on the transmitter moves quite slowly as well. But then it comes right, so a bit of an odd one. So what I've done is I've obviously taken the back off, and down here where the stick units connect, these stick units connect to the board, I actually swapped over the two channels to see if it was the pot or whether it was some of the post-processing. Now, unfortunately, it hasn't faulted again since I did that, which means either it's really intermittent or it was something to do with the, in changing over the pins, I have basically got rid of some oxide on a contact or something, but I'm not really happy with that thing, so I'm leaving it on, and we're going to come back and test it every few minutes just to see if it's happened again, because it was, yes, it was intermittent. We'll do it sometimes, wouldn't do it other times, but this would make a great Fix It Friday. And in fact, if this hasn't fixed it, I'll probably do a Fix It Friday looking at this and showing how I track down what could be a fault on the logic board. It could be a fault in the stick unit, could be a fault in the just the connectors, just the simple steps. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It could be a video coming up. We don't know, it just depends on whether I've already fixed it or not. But on a Sunday morning when everyone wants to fly, don't have time to make a Fix It video if I've got to fix something in the shortest possible time frame. But there you go, that's the inside of a X7. Still a nice radio, I like them a lot.